Hello friend, I hope you are doing well. So finally we have managed to complete your project requirements. So in this project the idea was to have a ESP32-C3 board with a 240 cross 240 display, and the idea was to have like the screen to show some uh, maybe like the JPEG images or the GIF images, like the animation images, and these images should be coming from like we created a dashboard to upload these images inside. Okay, and the second part was to control the any Android device as a music HID keyboard. Okay, so you can like play forward reverse all the music files. Okay, so I will give you a brief demo of it, like how the things are going on. So right now we have multiple screens, like the multiple screens for the GUI. So right now by default we are on the image display. Okay, and right now we only have one image on the screen. Okay, so what I will do first, I will try to upload some other images or maybe some animation images like GIF images from the dashboard. So for that purpose, you simply have to scroll it up like this, and it asks you to turn on the AP mode. Okay, so let me turn on the AP mode. Okay, we will wait, and the AP mode is right now on. Okay, so I will go to the my maybe the screen, and if I see here, I found a access point with ESP32 image server. So I will connect this one, and then we will go to 192.168.4.1 server. Okay, so if I refreshes this one, I found there is only one image inside the device. Okay, so what I will do, I will choose another image, and I have downloaded some GIF images. So for the GIF images, you have to resize those images before like a 240 cross 240. Okay, so according to the screen size, and what I will do, I will upload this image. Okay, so this animation has been uploaded. Okay, so I will come back to the screen and we'll make the turn off the AP, and we will wait. Okay, we have one image like this one, and on the second screen we have the GIF animation working now. Okay, so it will keep working as long as the screen is on. Okay, so this was the part for the GIF images and the animation part. Okay, the second part was to have a like a music player controller for the Android device. Okay, so I will scroll down, and now we will switch to the controller. Okay, so if I go back to my phone, and sorry, if I go to my Bluetooth devices, so I already have paired my device with this ESP32 media controller. Okay, this is my device and it's showing almost connected. So I will open maybe some Spotify app, and let's see if it works. Okay. Yeah, it changes the song. Yeah. So I don't have the like the subscription for the Spotify, so the back button is disabled. So I'll change the volume. Yeah. Start the music. Make next. So this was it. So the problem that I faced during this one, like the ESP32-C3 has very limited memory inside, so it's very difficult to have like the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the LVGL library, and then this animation, and then the Wi-Fi manager all to work together. But anyhow, somehow I have managed to complete all this stuff in a single code. Okay, I hope you like the work. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.